Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to resolve the issue where OneDrive remains stuck on sync pending. We all rely on OneDrive to keep our files updated across different devices, so when it stops working, it can be quite a headache. Let's go through a simple walkthrough to get your synchronization back on track. Start by locating the OneDrive icon in your taskbar, which is usually found in the bottom right corner of your desktop. It looks like a small cloud. Click this icon to open the Options menu. From there, click on the gear icon, which represents your settings. This menu provides the tools needed to manage the application. Your first move here is to select Pause Syncing. This action halts all current file transfers and is a necessary step for resetting the system. After that, you need to click Quit OneDrive. Don't worry, this won't delete anything. It just closes the program to ensure no background tasks are running while we reset things. Now, open your File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once it's open, look at the navigation pane on the left and select the OneDrive folder. Now you are ready to restart the service. Head to your Start menu or use the search bar to find and launch OneDrive again. Reopening the app should trigger the sync process to start fresh. After completing these steps, OneDrive will automatically try to sync your files. Keep an eye on the taskbar icon to confirm the pending message is gone. If the issue remains, try restarting your PC entirely. A simple reboot often fixes minor system glitches. Disconnect from your internet before restarting to ensure a fresh connection afterward. Hopefully, these instructions solve your problem. Regular updates and maintenance are key to avoiding these errors. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to browse our channel for more useful tech tips.